Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today with 2014 Suzuki Vitara, stock number 7364. It's ran from the 8th 2008 to the 12th 2018. This is a J24B 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a J24B 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 17-inch factory American tyre. Left-hand door mirror. Left rear 17-inch factory American tyre. Left-hand tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory American tyre. Right front door no dents. Right-hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 17-inch factory American tyre. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-speed leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.